The Thermaltake Ceres 300 Snow Edition is a mid-tower case that aims to strike a balance between aesthetics, airflow, and functionality. Right out of the box, the clean white finish and tempered glass side panel give it a premium look. It's a case that will look great on any desk. One of the standout features is the focus on airflow. The perforated panels, making up over 55% of the case's surface, promise excellent ventilation. Thermaltake includes two 140mm ERGB fans at the front and one standard 140mm fan at the rear, which is a solid start. Users have the option to install up to 5 140mm fans or 7 120mm fans, providing plenty of cooling options. Radiator support is also impressive, with space for a 360mm radiator at the front and a 280mm radiator at the top. Inside, the Ceres 300 Snow Edition supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, from Mini IDX all the way up to ATX. The rotatable PCIe slots are a nice touch, allowing for both horizontal and vertical GPU mounting. Cable management looks to be straightforward, with enough room behind the motherboard tray to keep things tidy. The case also includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, along with two USB 3.0 ports and an HD audio jack. Storage options include space for one 3.5-inch drive or two 2.5 drives. The power supply is mounted at the bottom, with support for PS2 PS use up to 220mm in length. Overall, the Thermaltake Ceres 300 Snow Edition appears to be a well-designed case with a strong focus on cooling performance and aesthetics. The included fans, extensive radiator support, and flexible interior layout make it a great option for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. The optional LCD display is a cool addition for those who want to add a personal touch to their build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.